Yeah, don't care. I really come from New Orleans. I really come from New Orleans. I really come from New Orleans. I come from New Orleans. I come from the food. Nigga already know how I go. Pull out the stick, pull out the drink, every hopping out on feet. Nigga, they gon' feel our pain. Hop out, put bounce ass. Hop out with the spanking shit. Run them down with the stick, yeah, we gon' run them down. Nigga know I be coming. Run them down with the stick. I been thuggin' since so youngin'. Nigga talking about smoke with us. Niggas won't be a follower, they never won't be a leader. I'ma be the leader, I'ma teach you how to go get it. Nigga can't stand on business. We poppin' on they block, we get they drop, we spin again. We got drinks and we got kids. Niggas know what's up with us. Pop out on they block stick. Gotta keep my glizzy tough. Nigga talking about he gon' kill me. Boy, you better stand on that. What the fuck you say? You might be talking out the top. You might be on the pills. Niggas on the gangster, on the pills. Niggas ain't spinning no block for real. Let's spin a block, let's double back. Yeah, let's go catch a kill. And I've been thinking about this shit, got murder on my mind. I'm trying to purge the whole city, they don't feel my pain. I been walking through the rain, can they fly still? Run them down, catch me a kill. Run them down, we can spin for real. Niggas talking about smoke the game. Fuck that, let's catch me a kill. They spin they block, spin for real. Run out my bag, I say. Niggas talking about smoking, run them down with the stick, them catch them slipping. I run it out, trying to get a bag. Nigga better just play with me. I'ma leave him stuck, leave him run him down, we gon' hit him right in the top. We in the plan, nigga think this shit a game. So we hop out with the spray, we in the plan. We hop out with the drink, we get the bustin' at the top. I run up the bag, nigga be cap, hit they block, slide with the sticks. I run it up, tryna give me a bag. These niggas be pussy, nigga be cap. I run it up, tryna give me some racks. You run up on me and you get clapped. Nigga be talking too much, hit they block, slide with the drink, slide with the drink. We gon' hop out all black. Yeah, she gon' shake that ass, shake it, shake it. I like the way she shake it. Yeah, I like the way she shake that ass. Run it back, I run my cash. Nigga talking about smoke the gang. Hit it like every spinning again. Don't back, every spin the block. Nigga talking about smoke gang, get popped. This for sending threats. It's your block, slide the shopper. I ain't playing game with these niggas. I'ma hop out, yeah, get busy. Try to take something from you, go end up on the news. Put them on channel 3.